Hi there, my name is Andre and I'm going to teach you this awesome cool button called Format Painter. Format Painter, I know, nobody heard about it, and every time I show people this button they go like, what? Is this possible? And I go like, yeah, I used it for like 100 years. Format Painter is a brilliant button that you're going to learn how to use and save time now. But first, don't forget to do the subscribe. Now I'm a teacher, so I'm not sure actually where this subscribe thing comes up, but press the bell button. So, a little joke first, a teacher joke. Why is the math book so unhappy? It's full of problems. I know, it's really dry. Format Painter is when you go to home, you see this button here, Format Painter. And what it do is it takes every format that is within whatever you mark and just formats everything that's in there, and you could just copy it straight on something else. So I made 4 examples here. You can see on the text here what the differences are. And on this one, it's Ariel 10. Ariel actually reminds me of a Disney movie. I was having a kind of crush on her actually. But you can see it's Ariel 10 and this is Calibri. Calibri was supposed to be Helvetica. Sorry, need to fix that as up there. And this is Times New Roman and this is Calibri, and Calibri is Game of Thrones and Times New Roman. Look now, if I mark something, you remember it was Arial 10. If I mark this text that is something else, I press the format button, I just use my pencil and just drag over, it changes. So now it's Times New Roman 11. Doesn't look much, but look now, I format this one, I drag it over, and it becomes the same. Calibri 15, not Calisi, Calibri, body. Same here, Times New Roman 20 bold. I press the format button, drag over, and it becomes Times New Roman 20. And this is text size 30, underline Helvetica. I press the format button, Format Painter, and drag it over, and it becomes the same. This has saved me so much time when it comes to creating reports or writing documents or writing evaluations. Because when you have the formats and suddenly you do something in Word and everything changes, you don't remember, was it Times New Roman, was it bold, was it underline, or was it in sideways, italic? You know, there's so many formats. Then I just go to the text where I know is correct, Format Painter, and drag it over, and it becomes correct formatted. That was that. I hope you never use that button, and I hope you will start using it from now on. And don't forget to subscribe. Again, don't know where it is. And have a good day.